The control unit is fairly bulky, so you can run the filament fairly discreet, but when it comes to putting this somewhere, like that's a lot to put, and the only place I have a USB is in the front, in there, and in the back here, which I could put it back here and tuck everything up in there, or I could put it like in a seat pocket. To do this professionally, I would probably take off door panels, the dashboard, all of that stuff, and I would use this wire and wire it into a 12-volt source rather than the USB plug. But I don't know enough about it to do all that, so we're going to stick with the USB plug, and we're not going to take off panels. We're going to try to hide them as good as we can. So I'm going to tuck all of this into the seat pocket with just the plug sticking out so we know where they are. All right, and then we'll go from there. I'm starting out with the shorter wires and trying to tuck them in. So you're not only trying to hide this filament, you're trying to hide the actual supply lines too. All right, that's pretty well hidden, and we've got one panel on that side. Got two done. Okay, then connect it to the light. You strip back a little bit of that fin. Stick it in and screw it down. That's it. Okay. So I did see in a video, they did say to put, I've never done this before, so this is all new. They showed putting lights on both sides of the strip. 2 strips down, we've used 4 lights, 6 lights left, like that. So all of these wires, lights that were on here, you really got to plan out what you're doing ahead of time, because I feel like I didn't do that much, but it used all of the lights. So see what it looks like after dark. Come out and check it out.